Getting you some breaking news coming in. Ria is set to leave for the DRDO guest house where she is going to be quizzed by the CBI for the second time around. Yesterday, she was subjected to 10-hour intense grilling by CBI, which was led by Nupur Prasad. She's likely to be questioned by her again today. We did see in the 10-hour of investigation yesterday, the focus was, of course, on her relationship with Sushant Singh Rajput. We're expecting today the focus of the investigation, of the interrogation, is going to be on the financial angle. Arunil is outside Ria's residence. Arunil, you're standing by. We're expecting Ria and her brother Shouvik Chakrabarti to leave anytime now.
Well, that is right, Poonam. At present, I am outside the building of Ria Chakrabarti. This is the place from where she left yesterday. Last night, she came here with Mumbai Police Corps accompanying her. She had gone to the Santa Cruz police station as well, asking for security because she feels that the media is hounding her. But the question is, she also spoke to certain pliable media platforms, giving out PR interviews, also speaking against Sushant Singh Rajput and other things. Basically, Sushant Singh Rajput is no more to defend himself, but despite that, Team Ria continued to basically spread slander against Sushant Singh Rajput and the grieving family of the late actor. Now in some time we can expect Ria Chakrabarti to leave her residence for a second round of grilling interrogation session with the CBI. Also the other side actors who are the so-called accomplices of Ria Chakrabarti, they are already been grilled by the CBI. We can expect the main protagonist to leave in some time. Now today the focus, we expect it to be on the financial angle, why two companies were started, in which the two of the three members were Chakrabarti's only, Ria and her brother, and what happens
the
to the
financial angle is of course a key focal point in this investigation, not just of the CBI but of the Enforcement Directorate as well, because it was the family of Sushant Singh Rajput who had alleged that Ria Chakrabarti, her brother and their father as well, was exploiting the late actor financially, and that allegation is under the scanner. But before we tell you what's exactly happening, before Ria Chakrabarti and her brother leave their residence in Mumbai there towards the DRDO guest house for the day 2 of their grilling, let's tell our viewers what exactly happened on day 1 of Ria Chakrabarti's questioning. Now, apart from her relationship with Sushant Singh Rajput, another thing that came up was the drug chat. Now, the drug disclosure, which was made right here on Times Now, did appear in the CBI interrogation of Ria Chakrabarti yesterday. From our sources, we've gotten you some exclusive scoop of what exactly happened yesterday in that interrogation. What happened yesterday was that Ria confessed to the CBI that these drug chats, which we brought to you here on Times Now, are authentic. That's the first big revelation coming in from our sources within the CBI. She also admitted that these drug chats were all typed out by her. She knowingly spoke about doobies, which is, street slang for cannabis cigarettes. She agreed to all of it, but she went on to say that the conclusions that were drawn after these chats have been leaked were not right. She contested those conclusions that have been made. Unfortunately for her, all of her defenses seem to have been falling flat. The CBI is going to investigate that, and so is the Narcotics Bureau in the near future. Another scoop that we got from our sources within the CBI, if I can move on to scoop number 4, is what our sources told us here on Times Now, is that this is just the tip of the iceberg. The drug nexus really runs deep. We do know for a fact now that the NCB has, expanded its probe. The ambit of this investigation has widened. 2 drug peddlers, suppliers have already been detained. They're likely to be arrested sometime shortly, and they are going to be key to unravel this entire drug ring, really, that involves several Bollywood biggies as well. This is what she told the investigating agency yesterday. We are now, of course, standing by for day 2 of her interrogation. Our reporters are getting us the very latest. Mohit Bhatt is also outside Ria Chakrabarti's residence. Mohit, you and Arunil are standing by there. We are all, of course, waiting for the Chakrabartis to leave. It will be interesting, Mohit, to see her demeanor today, because yesterday, a day after her interview to several pliable media, while she was en route to the DRDO office, she was frustrated with all the media attention. She has been alleging media trials several times. It will be interesting to see whether or not she's calm or composed today, or whether she's as frustrated as she was going in on day 1.
Well, yes, and that is why when she came back to her house from the CBI guest house, she did not go upstairs. She took the car again and she went to the Santa Cruz police station and then asked for the police protection. And then the police came and they clearly barricaded the whole area. And that is why we, as of now, don't see any police deployment over here. And that is why we are wondering that whether Mumbai police will today come and escort Rhea Chakrabarti towards the DRDO guest house, because the family of Rhea Chakrabarti, including herself, have said that media is trying to hound her. But then we are asking some simple questions regarding the chats which have been retrieved, the information that Time Now has access. So clearly, as of now, there are no answers to it. Today is the second day of the CBI interrogation. All the key players who were there yesterday, they have all reached the CBI guest house over there. But then we don't know that when exactly Rhea Chakrabarti and Shouvik Chakrabarti will leave. I'll just show you the scenes inside. I asked my camera person Karthik sir to show you. That is the place where you can see a few men over there. That is where the Rhea Chakrabarti sits in her car and she comes out. And we expect that if she comes out, we'll ask her the same question that we have been trying to ask her, that what exactly the whole drug cartel is all about, her chats with Samuel Miranda, because you see Samuel Miranda is also inside, and the chats which have been accessed by Times Now, which clearly show that how Samuel Miranda, who was the account manager of Sushant Singh Rajput, was in constant touch with Rhea Chakrabarti, and she got to know the debit pin number of Sushant's card through Samuel Miranda, and they were using that particular card for their own personal expense. Though Sushant Singh Rajput knew about it or not, that is something we cannot comment, and that also would be the part of today's investigation by the CBI.
Absolutely. Whether the use of his debit card, his finances were authorized or not by the Chakrabartis is under investigation. The CBI is investigating that, and so is the Enforcement Directorate, because the whole money laundering aspect also comes into play, and that is going to be the focal point of today's investigation, the financial angle as far as the Chakrabartis are concerned. But Tamal, we know except the two, Rhea and Shouvik, all the other key players are already at the DRDO guest house. They are being interrogated by the CBI. Are we expecting a joint interrogation of the other key players with the Chakrabartis today?
Well, of course, you know, the possibility has not been ruled out by CBI officials. You are trying to pick up as much information as possible from our sources. What you have learned so far, that yesterday, Rhea Chakrabarti was given enough opportunity to record her own statement. She had independently alone had given her statement to the CBI officials. But then there came one moment between 4:45 and 6:30 when she was made to sit with Samuel Miranda. We have to understand, in scheme of things, Samuel Miranda is one person that Rhea Chakrabarti had introduced to Sushant Singh Rajput. So the obvious question had been as what was the motive behind it, because thereafter the communication which is now in public domain after Times Now had accessed, it clearly suggests that Samuel Miranda, Rhea Chakrabarti had been in certain kind of a conversation which possibly doesn't fit in the legal contours or within the permissible contours of Indian law and legal system. So thereafter, whether Samuel Miranda has been used or whether Samuel Miranda was part of any larger conspiracy along with Rhea Chakrabarti that Sushant Singh Rajput was not aware of, it's something that CBI would definitely want to understand. Poonam, we have to understand the entire investigation has now been broken down into three parts. While Supreme Court has given CBI the principal responsibility to investigate into the matter, we know that there had been other agencies like Enforcement Directorate working in close coordination with CBI to unearth if there had been any financial misappropriation, which is also part of the larger conspiracy. And mind it, conspiracy as a word should be underlined time and again, because that's exactly what family of Sushant Singh Rajput had been alleging. In fact, they had mentioned that word along with abatement to suicide in their official complaint, former complaint, the first information report that was filed in Bihar. And that complaint was picked up by Supreme Court. Later, they handed over to CBI. So CBI is essentially trying to understand what had been the motive, whether financial, personal, any other interest which has possibly led to the creation of any kind of a conspiracy that Sushant Singh Rajput was unaware of. So far, we know that Rhea Chakrabarti yesterday during the course of interrogation, as per our sources, had not been able to come up with a convincing response as what should happen on June 8, because mind it, June 8 is the day that Rhea Chakrabarti had left Sushant Singh Rajput's residence and gone somewhere else. And there are also reports of allegation against her suggesting that she had broken down certain hard disks. So these are all very crucial allegations which demand corroboration of facts and further investigation, and that that would possibly continue today as well, as Riya Chakraborty arrives here at the DRDO guest house. As you rightly asked, as whether Shobhi Chakraborty would also become, will be coming or not, we have to wait and see. Yesterday he was here, and today in all likeness he is expected once again.
Absolutely, just a matter of time before we find out. We're expecting the brother-sister duo to leave their residence for the CBI office, which is the DRDO guest house at the moment, anytime now.